Hello friends, I'm Dr. Rohit Batra from Dermaworld Skin and Hair Clinics, and today we are going to talk about geriatric dermatology. Yes, the branch of dermatology, that's skin, that deals with the geriatric population, that is the old age, is known as geriatric dermatology. Now most of the times when patients come to me who are of age 60 plus, they usually complain of skin conditions like itching, dryness, hair fall in males and females both, and at times they are very stressed out that doctor, I'm not able to sleep at night, I'm not able to do my work, I am facing various skin changes and give me some relief. Well, when you talk about geriatric dermatology, the first and the foremost condition that is seen in elderly is dry skin. That's what we call xerosis. Now, if someone is suffering from dry skin and they are not taking it seriously, then they might have itching. That might convert to dermatitis and eczema at times. And at times the itching is so severe that they will form wounds, oozing, crusting at various body parts. So if you have an elderly or you yourself are an elderly, make sure you use simple things at home to make sure that you don't get your skin to get more and more dry, and you prevent such conditions to occur in later life. People who are suffering from diabetes, hypothyroidism, or are taking medication for hypertension are more prone to get dry skin. Now, if you are using moisturizing soap, you are applying a good oil, say coconut oil, almond oil, on your body before bathing. Yes, I will repeat, before bathing, if you are applying some oil on your body and then taking a bath with a moisturizing soap or body wash and drying yourself with a towel by patting, we call it pat dry, then you will save the small amounts of body oil that are made by your body, and the oil that you applied before bathing will get washed off, but your body oils will be prevented from washing off and they will be there in your body and you won't develop dryness. Especially those who use a lot of hot water for bathing should take care that hot water will lead to more dryness. So make sure you use lukewarm water. Once you have taken a bath and you have done the pad drying, after that make sure that you invest those 2-3 minutes on your body by applying a good moisturizing lotion all over the body. So if you are taking care of your skin, the skin will not lead to any sort of dryness and no itching and no skin conditions related to geriatric dermatology, that is itching, eczema, dermatitis, etc. Now, it's also seen that many a times people of old age will develop some oral lesions. Yes, because of the loss of vitamin, because of the loss of various papillae in the oral cavity, you might get balled tongue. That is, the tongue becomes geographic, and at times there is burning irritation also in the oral cavity. So make sure you are taking good vitamins to take care of your body requirements. In case you are suffering from constipation or you are suffering from loose motion, etc., you should consult your doctor to make sure that the bowel movement is right and you don't develop any such things in your oral cavity. As far as the hair is concerned, especially in females, those who are having hair fall and at times the scalp is also visible, it is a prudent idea to visit a dermatologist and ask them about what can be done to safeguard your hair. Usually females never go bald, but yes, because of the loss of volume, and nowadays as patients are becoming very cosmetically conscious, something needs to be done to make sure that we can give you that more youthful look. And also in males who are having male pattern baldness or androgenic alopecia, it is always better to take care of an opinion from your dermatologist and use some topical solutions to have that hair in later part of your life also. Taking care of your nails, taking care of your body is a prudent idea because prevention is always better than cure. So if you are aging, we cannot stop that. All of us have to age, but we dermatologists can help you age gracefully, age without any dermatological conditions that might irritate you or become chronic. And of course, when it comes to aesthetics and you want to look beautiful, we also have many things like HIFU, dermal fillers, botulinum toxin and lasers to make sure that your skin on face is lightened, brightened, the fine lines, wrinkles, the deep furrows, the loss of volume on your face is taken care of with the help of your dermatologist. So a dermatologist is your friend if you want to age gracefully, if you want to take care of your skin and health. And as you know, skin is the largest organ of the body. So if you will take care of your skin, you protect it from sun, you prevent various skin conditions resulting from dry skin and other metabolic changes that take place in your body, you will enjoy the later part of your life looking good, looking smart, looking gorgeous. Hope you liked our video today. For more videos on skin, hair and aesthetics, do subscribe to our channel and we'll be sharing good amount of educational material here at Dermaworld Skin and Hair Clinics. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more updates. Bye-bye.